Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're subscriber by now. यार बहुत सारे लोग बार बार इसी बात के साथ रीच आउट कर रहे हैं कि GT स्कोर बढ़ नहीं पा रहा. Although they are doing their task, although they are doing their best every day, but the score is plateaued at a certain point. Some people are in the 450s and they are in the 450s since the past couple of months and it's simply not moving ahead. तो क्या करें? Simply see, I have a few points that I've noticed after mentoring so many people that these are the consistent mistakes that people do and that's what leads to stagnation of scores. So number one that you must do is maintain an error log, which is like exactly what the 20th notebook or the my notebook is all about. जहाँ मिस्टेक हो रही है, जो भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा, जो भी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है पर लग रहा है लास्ट में रिवाइज करना बहुत जरूरी है, put that in the my notebook and the my notebook has to be revised from the first page till the last page on a regular basis. Regular means daily basis. So ये करोगे तो सारी मिस्टेक्स आपकी एक जगह होंगी, सारी ऐसी चीजें जो आपको लगता है कि it's difficult to remember or you must recall before the exam that are there in a single sheet. Okay, तो उससे अपना better होता जाएगा day by day. And secondly, you need to identify patterns. Are you struggling with a particular type of question like except or but wale questions, false wale questions, or you are missing out on a concept? If you are missing out on a concept, go back to the videos, go back to the main notes and read that properly, view that properly. ठीक है? Additionally उस topic के थोड़े questions solve करो और उस topic के around build करो. ठीक है? और टारगेटेड टेस्ट लेना बहुत जरूरी है उसके बाद. ठीक है, टेक अ स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट वाइज स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, सो दैट विल हेल्प यू इंप्रूव मैसिवली. ओके, और क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? स्पेस रिविजन इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो 3 cycles ऑफ रिविजन बट मोस्टली बेस्ड ऑन एक्टिव रिकॉल. इफ यू कीप रीडिंग इट देन your mind tends to ignore what you don't know. Okay, so you will keep reading through and nothing will change, and you will just keep going and keep revising the same things again and again. Okay, so focus on active recall at the same time, and guys, stay positive, reflect on your mistakes. If we can stay positive and committed and consistent for the next few months or days, then everything will be all right. It's all right. All the very best, guys. Keep watching, keep subscribing. If you need help with something, do let me know.